found this bag of doll clothes at the thrift store for $5, so let's see what we've got. First, we've got a pretty frayed dress. Next is this tiny rainbow high vest. Unfortunately, I don't have any of those dolls. See the little R? Then we've got some Ken shorts, which will come in handy. And is this a pot holder? I'm not sure what that's doing in there. Then we have a Barbie skirt. And it looks like a headband for a baby doll. There's another dress with the same fraying problems. And it's also got glue on the front. Oh, this is definitely Barbie, and it's got ink marks on it, so it'll need some TLC for sure. Otherwise, it's in good shape though. And more Ken shorts. Oh, this one is really cute. It's also really dirty. Everything needs to be washed in this bag. But this is super cute. And this looks like an attempted teddy bear. It's definitely someone's first sewing project. And a purple Barbie skirt. Then a massive fraying cloth and Velcro. All of these are in really rough shape and extremely frayed. This Anna dress is in good shape, but it's definitely too small for Barbie. And a miraculous ladybug outfit. It's in good shape too. Some baby doll pants. I bet they go with the headband. And a pencil holder? Another very frayed dress. And this is some kind of mermaid skirt. It's just starting to fray at the ends. And some pink pants. I like the strawberry top on this dress. It's really cute. Is it some kind of halter? I kind of like that one. And this, what is this? Is it Velcro there? But then there's another Velcro, and I'm so confused, and it's so dirty. This one is gonna take some research. I'm just really confused. It's cute, though. And this is a sheep bag. I have no idea why that's in there other than it's fabric. Another rainbow high item. It looks in really good shape. But unfortunately, I just don't have any of those dolls. Whatever this pink stuff is all over everything in this bag. And this is some kind of uniform, I guess? This one is reminding me of like Princess Di's wedding dress with those giant puffy sleeves. It's gotta be some kind of 80s Barbie top, I guess. So puffy. Then we have a baby doll thing. And this one is just a full-on size 3-month dress. Then we've got a nice little top with some kind of knot thing going on at the bottom. And this is a Chelsea top, I'm guessing. It's very cute and in good shape. And this is some kind of super suit? Yeah, it doesn't look like it would fit any kind of doll that I have, so. And then another miraculous ladybug outfit. I remember seeing these in the store and thought it was weird, and I was not wrong. It is just odd. Here's a cute Barbie top. It's in very good shape. This is very thick velvet. I think it's a dress? I'm guessing it's another rainbow high outfit. This one is a faux leather skirt, kind of plasticky, and a broken piece of a toy. Don't know how that got in there. I do not know what this thing is. And a skirt for Anna, it looks like. Oh, and here's Anna's cape. So that makes sense. Goes with the skirt. And we have this. It looks too big for Barbie. And this arm is really frayed. I don't know quite what it is. This one is a genuine Barbie ripped up jacket. It's got a huge hole in the back. I don't think it's really savable. Oh, another hole there. And another weird blanket thing that somebody's dog ripped up. This yellow dress is really cute. It does look a little big for Barbie. It's in pretty good shape, but I'm not sure it'll fit. And that's everything in the bag. So now that everything's been cleaned, here's everything we're keeping. First, we have this little wrap. It's from a Cutitos Budditos plush. It's a good size for the dolls, and I just think it looks very cute and cozy. Then we have these baby doll pants. One of my children has already taken the rest of the baby doll items for her dolls, so this will be going with it. Someone started this teddy bear project and just didn't finish it. One of my teens has already said they want to finish it, so we'll see if that actually happens. And starting off the Barbie clothes, we have this Chelsea shirt. It fits perfectly and is in great shape, so I'm giving that to my daughter for her Chelsea. Luckily, I also have one skipper. The other Miraculous Ladybug outfit I couldn't get on her because her hands are too wide for the sleeves, but this one is perfect. I guess we know what Skipper will be for Halloween next year. This Tiana skirt is also in pretty good shape. I don't have any specific plans for it, but it might be good for a costume. We also have this shirt and skirt. I couldn't find where the faux leather skirt is from specifically, but the shirt is from a Fantastic Hair Barbie and even has the little plastic stays in it from the packaging. This is another outfit that didn't come together. The pants are probably from one of the nursing sets, if I had to guess, but the shirt is from this fashion pack, which we also got another item from. Both of them are good pieces, so they're keepers. There were two pairs of Ken shorts. This one is from this Love Cali set, and the other is just a plain pair of denim shorts, but I only have one actual Ken doll, so he's the only one who really fits them. This Anna skirt and cape fit perfectly on a standard Barbie. I don't know specifically where it came from, but it works great as a costume. This skirt is a little unusual. I can't find where it's from, but it has an odd loop of ribbon on the inside. As long as you ignore that, it fits fine, so it's a keeper. This one I really like, but I can't figure out where it's from. I'm guessing these straps wrap around the back, but I'm not sure. I'm kind of on the fence about it because without the straps, it's just really, really loose. I still really like it though. And then we have this yellow dress. I cannot find where it's from, but it does look vintage. I'm not convinced it's actually for Barbie because the sleeves are so large. But if you have any ideas, let me know. And this one is a Barbie Fashion Avenue dress from 1998, so another vintage outfit. I think it's really cute. It's kind of velvety on the bodice, and so if you have any tips on styling it, I would really appreciate it. This one is my favorite out of everything. It's from the Barbie Fashionista 182 from a couple years ago, and I just love it. It is a little difficult to get on because it just slides over the doll, but it's very cute and simple. By far my favorite. And finally, we have this outfit. This originally came with the polka dot shirt. It did need a little TLC, which I'll probably show in another video, but it is in excellent shape and it looks really good. Overall, I got a great mix of items for the dolls, even though there were quite a few duds and things I couldn't use. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I already actually have a bet with my daughter on how long it takes me to get to 100 subscribers, and if she wins, she gets to direct an episode. Again, if you recognize any of these items or have any styling tips, I'd love to see them in the comments.